Hey everybody, it's Dustin, Nervous Specialist. So quick update on this one. This is a 2015 Grand Design Reflection, and Zach is still in the process of doing all the welding repairs. And he's actually up to 10 cracks on the frame right now. But, you know, again, the good thing is that we caught it all and Grand Design's taking care of it. So if you're having problems with your frame, or if you need to come in and get a frame inspection, we encourage you to check us out. Call the girls, make an appointment, come in. Typically, you know, we're having to get the unit up in the air in most cases and take the wheels and tires off in order to get down in there and see real good. Some areas we usually have to take and get some of the paint off just to confirm. But, you know, again, if you have frame cracks on your unit, this doesn't just apply to Grand Design. This applies to almost any brand that's out there. So we've had it on Alliances, we've had it on Forest Rivers, we've had it on Keystones, we've had it on Jaycos, we've had it on KZs, we've had it on bunch of different random brands. So anything pretty much that has a lipper frame. So some of it's from flex, some of it's from things that are over welded, some of the things just, you know, fatigue or you know, customers have drove it a little bit too rough. So anyways, stay tuned for more and check out a lot of our other frame videos that we have in our playlist on our YouTube channel. All right, thanks again for watching us. Dustin, your RV Specialist.